Hello travellers, so today we're taking a look at this tote bag here from Bellroy. Now this is the Tokyo Tote Compact, that is the 12-litre version. This one also does come in a 15-litre version, which is slightly bigger and has an extra inside pocket. And there is also the Tokyo Wonder Tote, and I believe that the difference between that one and this one is that the Wonder has like two front pockets, whereas this just has like one smaller front pocket. But I'm going to be focusing on this one here. This is the compact version. I've been using it for about 2 weeks and it's been extremely comfortable, very nice to use. And I'll just walk through a few of the details and a few of my thoughts on using this one. So now one of the main reasons why I did want to review this one in particular is because I just got a new job where I have to carry a laptop around. So this one has a built-in laptop sleeve there, and it's been very nice to use. It is padded laptop sleeve and it is slightly raised from the bottom as well, just here. So this is where the laptop ends, and you can see there's just that much room before it actually hits the ground, and there's a lot of padding here on the bottom as well. So it's definitely useful for that, carrying laptop and it not getting damaged. And as you can see, if I just take this water bottle out, it does have a zippable top, so if you did want to secure the item and not have them fall out, you can definitely do that. So this is basically a fully packed with the laptop and my daily items, and it all fits in there with a zip, which I think is really nice design. So it does have two water bottle pockets. Those ones just slide in there like that, and they also do fold away, so if you don't want to use them, for example, like this, then that becomes extra space. You can just pull that pocket out if you wanted to use it, or fold it away if you don't. Before I get ahead of myself, let's just do a quick walk around the bag. It is fully packed at the moment, as I said, but the outside just has this front pocket here, which is also zippered, so you can zip that up, and then you can unzip that, and there's a key lanyard in there. And in this pocket I've been keeping my alpaca coin wallet, which I did previously review on, and also my AirPods Pro. So they fit in that front pocket very nicely. And one of the other good things about this front pocket I've noticed is that when it's zipped up like this, and say you're on a plane or a train with a fold down table, you can pop the bag on the table and then you can put your phone here as a phone stand and like watch a movie or a series. So it actually kind of holds the phone, which I don't think it's intended to do that at all, but I found that actually worked really well. So that's kind of a hidden bonus feature if you did ever want to watch a series or anything like that. Okay, so also taking a look on the outside of the bag, you'll notice that these straps have this kind of raised, and they're like rubber bumps, and this helps to kind of grip it on your shoulder. So when you're wearing it over your shoulder, or even just carrying it, this helps to give you some grip and make sure it doesn't slide off of your shoulder or out of your hands. And these straps are also a seatbelt material. There's no actual padding in them, but the material is sewed around, so it has a nice thickness and a nice softness to it, which doesn't dig into your shoulders. So I did find these straps to be very comfortable to wear over your shoulder and also to carry in your hands. So as I said, I have a water bottle in this pocket, and that tucks away, as you can see. And I also do have this is a Surface Lab 6, I think it is. And so when now the laptop's removed, you can see that there's the logo, Bellroy logo here. And there's actually a magnet which separates this back compartment. So if you didn't want to carry a laptop in this compartment, you could also carry papers, like A4 size paper. You could also carry like a mask. I have this Oz Air mask that actually fits really nicely down the back there as well. But yeah, the pockets do fold out of the way if you didn't want to use that compartment for anything. So the other difference between the 15-litre and this one here, which is the 12-litre compact version, is that the 15-litre has two pockets. So it's like two of these pockets, and then the compact one only has just this one pocket. There's two water bottle pockets, a laptop sleeve, and then one pocket on the compact. And on the 15-litre there is the laptop, water bottle, and then two pockets here. You also do get a little pen pocket here, so I've just got a few pens in there. So in this front pocket I just have the power bank, the NB10000, and I also have this cable here, which is the multi-adapter cable I've talked about before. And I also have this multi-adapter USB-C plug as well, just for emergency backup. And so yeah, that pocket is very handy, it fits a lot. And then I have the Foreclosed Decathlon packed pretend there for any shopping I'm going to do. I have some painkillers, some wet tissues, some tissues, and I have a hairbrush, and hair clip and hair tie, and then I have this umbrella and this Hong Thai herbal smelling salts kind of thing from Thailand. So that is all the things that I've got in here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's a really nice compact bag, very lightweight as it is. It does also stand on its own. You can see it has this bottom panel here which is also padded. So this does stand up on its own. So I did notice it leans away from the laptop side. As you can see, it tends to kind of want to fall sort of forward. That might have just been, to do with how I packed it, but it does stand on its own in some, depending on what you have in it and things like that. So most of the time I had it packed in a way that it did slightly tip forward. I think, with the laptop it didn't tip as much because the laptop sort of weighed it this way, and maybe that's part of the design, is that it's designed so that the laptop holds it, in a more upright way. It does have a padded bottom there, and it's just, as you can see when I've just flattened out that bottom, it does stand up on its own very well. So definitely go ahead and check this one out if you're in the market for a compact tote, and especially if you want something to carry your laptop in without having to have, like a separate sleeve, because this magnetic padded and felt lined sleeve for the laptop is very comfortable, and I've found that it works very well for carrying a laptop around, especially if you need to do that as a part of your job or something. So that's it, a quick look there at that one from Bellroy. Do check the links in the description if you're interested in checking out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.